Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to restrict the customer reviews in Magento 2. So only those persons, only the login customer who have purchased the product, they can have the ability to add a review. If I go and check that, suppose if I'm going to the my gear bags here, I want to take a add a review. So you can see that reviews, you need to purchase this product to add a review. If I log out at the same and go and check with the bags, gear bags, and this one, what it says, you need to purchase this product to add review and already purchased then logged in. That means guest is not able to add the review on the product as it is done before, but we have restricted. So let's check out how the code is going to be implemented, right? So let's go to the code level. So let's go, and here we have product restriction. So we have three folders that we already know: blog, etc, and view, and registration.php, right? So I will open each and every and explain the each and every one file. Blog, review, form. So first of all, move to the etc. For registration, module.xml, open it, and here you need to bypass the module sequence, module review, right? Product restriction version, correct? Next we have bi.xml. bi.xml, we are overriding Magento review block form, correct? In the block review form. So when we are going to the this is a block part, right? Config.xml, by default we are setting it to be enable 1. Next we have admin html system.xml for configuration, that we can add a configuration whether you want to enable or disable, right? Next we have then we go to the block review form.php. So here we have added the all the logic, so you can see that the full-fledged block part, right? And here what we have done is, first we will check whether the review restriction setup enable or not. Then we will check, has customer product already purchased? Then we will use the Magento by default form. If not, then we will use the no review form, that first of all you need to log that we have handled the cases. Else we will show the Magento by default form. So here's get customer ID, get customer orders, customer get current product, has customer purchased. So we how we are checking is, we are checking with on the behalf of the customers. If the customer try to add a review, first we will check whether this product is purchased. If it is purchased, then he can add the review. If he's not purchased, then he has to purchase this product to add a review. If the guest user is there and he wants to add a review, he can't. First of all, he to create account or logged in so that he can add the review. This is the things that we have handled. So let's check out the front end, what exactly I have done. So I'm not able to add the review, I'm going to log in first. Okay, so I've already the account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, going to check out. So I'm going to add the details over here: city, zip code, okay, phone number, right? Shipping method we will going to add next. So I'm going to purchase the this bags. So I will check first the gear bags, so I'm able to add the review or not. So you can see reviews, you need to purchase to add the review. Okay, so let's mark that as some sales order. Let's go to the sales order and check whether on the completion of that it will sales orders. So this is the product that I have done, and we will ship it. We will invoice it. Okay, then we will check now. See, you are reviewing Duffel Park. Now I'm able to add a review. See, now I can add the review here, summary review, submit. So I have added a submitted review for the moderation. Now admin have the ability to approve my review, right? So this is how this extension gonna work. Okay, so any issue that you, if you have like you haven't understand what exactly we have done, so let me know in my comment box. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Have a great day.